Hey guys! In today's video, I'll walk you through a method to start earning passive income online up to $100 daily. What's great about this is you can get everything set up in under 30 minutes, and you won't need to spend any money to get started. Before we dive in, there are two important things I want you to know. I only post tutorials for methods that I've personally tested and recorded. I'll be answering all your questions in the comments section, especially since this channel is still small and growing. Let's jump straight into it. For this method to work, you'll need to follow the tutorial step by step. If you do, you'll see results and start generating income even before the video ends. I'm not asking you to like, comment, or subscribe just yet. Try out this method first, and once you've seen it works, I'd really appreciate it if you come back to support the channel. Here's what we're going to cover. I'll show you how to create a free website using GoDaddy.com's Arabic website builder. Don't worry, you won't need to know Arabic, as the site we'll create will be in English. I'll also explain why this specific builder is the best choice. I'll guide you through setting up ads on your website using an alternative to Google AdSense that will approve your site and start showing ads instantly. Since ads generate revenue based on traffic, I'll share a free software tool that can drive thousands of visits to your site almost immediately. Step 1. Building your free website. Click the first link in the description, which will take you to GoDaddy's free website builder. Once you're there, click on Start for Free. On the next page, switch from the Features tab to the Blog tab. Scroll down and choose any theme you like. For this tutorial, we'll select an English language theme. Next, you'll need to create an account. The fastest way is to sign up using your Google account. Select the account you want to use, click Next or Continue, and then click Create an account. After your account is created, the website builder will automatically generate your site. You'll be redirected to the website builder page. Wait for it to fully load. Scroll down to ensure all elements are displayed, and then click Publish. Once the website is published, click on Visit Live Site. Here, you'll see your website's link, URL, at the top of the page. Copy this link, you'll need it for the next steps, then leave the tab open. Now, go back to the Builder tab and click on Continue to Editor. From the left-hand menu, select SEO and Settings and then Head HTML. You'll see two sections, Body and HTML and Head HTML. Make sure to remember the difference, as this will be important in the next steps. Step 2. Setting up ads on your website. Click on the second link in the video description to access the ad platform we'll use. Once you're there, click Monetize and then monetize your traffic. On the next page, register for an account using your Google credentials. Under Select Account Type, choose Publisher from the drop-down menu. Select your preferred currency, check the box below, and click Register. Now, you'll need your website's URL. Go back to the tab where your site is open, copy the link, and paste it into the website URL field. If the copied link includes HTTPS, remove it and switch the toggle below to HTTP. In the drop-down menu, choose Owner as the account type, then select a category that matches your site's content. For this example, I'll pick a generic category. The final step on this page is optional. Decide whether to allow adult content ads. Once everything is set, click Submit. After submitting, the platform will provide you with a JavaScript code. Copy this code, return to your website's editor, and paste it into the Body and HTML section. Save the changes and republish your website. Once done, return to the ad platform and click Complete. You'll now see the Monetization Goals section. Select the third option with the $3 signs. It's designed for maximum ad display and higher revenue. Save the changes and click the arrow next to Zone to go back. For the final step here, choose the standard script, not the adblock script, and copy the two codes provided. Paste the first code into the head HTML section of your website. And replace the previous code in the body and HTML section with the second one. Save the changes and republish your site again. Once your site is live, refresh it a couple of times to check if ads appear. If they don't show immediately, don't worry, it can take up to 5 minutes. Step 3. Getting instant traffic to your website. Click the third link in the description to download the traffic generating software. Follow the video steps to bypass any misleading ads and reach the correct download page. After downloading, extract the files using the password helper123, all lowercase. Open the folder and double-click the blue icon software file. If prompted, allow the program network access. Start by adding your website to the tool. Copy your site's URL and paste it into the software. Adjust the settings as follows. Set daily traffic to 5,000, reduce it from the default 10,000. Change time on site from 10 to 30 seconds to 10 to 40 seconds. Enable customized sources and add links to social media platforms like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, or Pinterest. Distribute the traffic proportionally so the total equals 100%. Next, go to subpage visits and enable it. Change the first row value from 3 to 4, then select Visit All Pages at random. Under Traffic Platform, balance traffic between PC and mobile. I usually favor PC slightly, but you can set it however you like as long as both platforms are included. For traffic region, choose All, no restrictions. Finally, use Traffic Curve to adjust traffic flow by hour. Drag the sliders to increase or decrease traffic during specific times. For now, let's keep it running immediately for the next few hours. Once you've saved everything, the tool's status should show online and running as normal. In the software settings, ensure the time zone matches yours. If not, update it and save the changes. Now, go back to the ad platform and check the statistics section. You'll start seeing traffic data, including visitor counts and earnings per 1,000 visits. Refresh the page periodically to monitor your progress. That's it. Keep the traffic software running in the background and let your passive income build up over time. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. Feel free to drop any questions in the comments. I'm here to help.